In this lesson, I will talk about tables in Excel. Well, one might say that Excel itself is just a big table, and that's true, but let's see what I mean when I say tables. The area from C3 to H7 is a separate piece of data not attached to any other data. Remember what I have mentioned in best practices for creating lists in the corresponding lesson. I said that a list, a data area in general, should be surrounded by empty rows and columns, and when this happens, Excel can recognize that this is a solid block of data. In other words, this is a table. So, a table in Excel is an area like this one, and of course, there can be a lot of areas of this kind, a lot of tables. The fact that this area is a table, a separate piece of data, is something we as humans can see, but Excel can only suspect. What I will show you in this lesson is that you can declare that this is actually a table, and by doing so, Excel will give you more capabilities with the data there. To declare a range as a table, meaning to convert it into a table, you first need to select this area. So I will select the area from C3 to H7. And I will open the Insert tab. Here in the Tables palette, there is a Table tool which, if I hover the mouse over it for a while, it tells me that there is also the Control-T keyboard shortcut that I can use. For now, I will do it with the tool, so I will just click here. And now a window appears asking me to select the cells that will make up the table. Since I had selected them, the area is already filled in, otherwise I would have to make the selection from here. Notice that the setting My Table has headers is active. I want it active because indeed the first row of my data area are headers, meaning it has the names of the columns, not data. If this was not the case, then I would need to deactivate this setting. I will click OK. And as you can see, this area has acquired a different formatting, but this is only one of the features of converting a range into a table. Notice that a table design tab has been activated, which disappears when you click outside the table cells. This alone means that Excel now treats this area as a table and gives you additional tools. If I want to remove the table, meaning that cells will go back to the state of a simple range of cells as before, I will click on a cell within the table to bring up the Table Design tab, and then click the Convert to Range tool. I will click Yes here to confirm my intention, and now it's a simple range of cells, not a table anymore. The fact that it retained part of the formatting means nothing. Notice that even though a cell of the area is selected, the Table Design tab no longer appears, so Excel does not treat this area as a table anymore. Another way to convert an area into a table is with the Format as Table tool. Without selecting the entire area, just with one cell selected, I will go to the Styles palette and open the Format as Table tool. I will choose a format here, and the same window for converting the area into a table appears. I will click OK here, so the area becomes a table. It didn't take all the new formatting changes because the logic is that the changes will only be applied to those parts and cells that didn't already have any formatting. That's why the internal borders were changed, but not the fill colors or the external borders that had already been set before. Generally, the fact that the area already had a specific formatting forces the formatting tool not to alter what was already there. Let's see this a bit. I will click the tool to convert to a range and click Yes here to confirm it. Now I will open the Clear tool and choose Clear Formats. I'll select cell C3 and apply, for example, fill color of dark red. I will also change the font color to white so that I can see it better. Now I will open the Format as Table tool again and choose the light yellow table style light 19. I will click OK here to convert the area into a table and see that the only thing not altered is the fill color and the font color of cell C3, which already had formatting. So converting a range of cells into a table is just a way to format it? No. You will explore the real value of tables if you choose to follow my advanced level course, because it's not within the scope of these lessons here to show what you can do once you convert an area as a table. The fact that you can apply ready-made formats is nothing compared to the other capabilities. I can only give a small demonstration with the filter tool that exists in each column of the table. I will click the filter tool for the book title column. I will deactivate the title's invisible threads and the road to Damascus, and I will click OK. Now I only see the data that corresponds to the filter. I won't expand further because, as I mentioned earlier, these are topics for the advanced level. For now, it's enough to know how to convert a range into a table and a table back into a simple range. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.